How to add sticky add to cart button in Shopify. First of all, install the app. You can find the app link in the description below. Click on install. Click on install. First of all, click on activate. First, we need to embed this app in Shopify store. Enable it and then click on save. Now go back to the app. Enable and customize sticky add to cart. Click on enable. We can customize after enabling it. Click on customize. As you can see, different options show on desktop, show on mobile. If you want to enable for desktop only, you can disable mobile. If you want to enable for mobile only, you can disable desktop as well. You can explore different options. As you can see, button actions on click, stay on page, go to cart, go to checkout, scroll top, add to cart button. You can customize it according to your requirements. As you can see, show the bar always after scrolling past add to cart. When add to cart is out of view, you can select it according to your requirements. You can select the size as well, full width, condensed. As you can see, the live preview as well. If you want a different position, you can click here. You can customize it according to your requirements. After that, click on content. You can customize add to cart button. You can change it to buy now as well. You can customize sold out button as well. You can add product image, name, price, compared price. If you don't want to appear anything, let's say name or price, you can disable it. As you can see the live preview from here. Click on announcement bar. You can customize the announcement bar as well. This is the announcement bar. You can customize it according to your requirements. You can change the design as well according to your theme design. You can click on display. If you want to display sticky cart on all products, you can select from here. If you want for specific products, you can click here and select the product. You can show sticky cart for specific collections as well. You can customize it according to your requirements. Click on all products. After that, click on save. As you can see, the sticky add to cart is now showing. If you need any assistance related to Shopify, you can send your query to my email or send me a message to my LinkedIn profile. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.